how to add header and footer in Google Docs. Want to make your document look professional? Let's add headers and footers in Google Docs. So to be able to do that, go to Insert, and then under this, you'd find the header and footer. So simply look for it. So if you don't find it here easily, what you can do is to double click at the very top of the page and you'd be able to summon the header. So you can go ahead and set this into your preference and then click on options. You can remove header from here. Now, if you want to add the footer of this page, simply scroll down and then double click at the very bottom of the page and then type in the footer that you want to add. And then you can also set where you want to place the footer, such as the left or the right of the page. So simply select footer format under options, and then you can set this in here.